myself Meenu. I'm a student final year STI college, and my topic of dissertation is memetic algorithm to solve optimization problems. Firstly, what is memetic algorithm? Memetic algorithm is just like it is a kind of hybrid genetic algorithm, which is a combination of genetic algorithm plus में local search. What is genetic algorithm? Genetic algorithm is a technique to solve optimization problem. And what is basic genetic algorithm? In basic genetic algorithm, we perform firstly reproduction, then we evaluate on the basis of fitness function and evaluate the chromosome based upon their fitness value, and then we consider those chromosomes or solutions to find the solution of a problem, and then we apply replacement or many more operators. Components of GA, genetic algorithm, encoding techniques, initialization, procedure, evaluation, selection of parents, genetic operators. In genetic operators, we can perform mutation, crossover, and replacement, and then parameter setting. What is memetic algorithm? Memetic algorithm is a combination of evolutionary search plus local search. We can apply local search on different steps. We can perform the local search on crossover operation, on mutation operator, or we can apply local search on replacement operator. In my dissertation, in my proposed algo, we apply local search on hill climbing. On replacement operator, we use hill climbing as a local search, and we apply hill climbing. We add hill climbing to replacement strategy. And my topic of objective of dissertation is implement hill climbing as a replacement operator and compare the performance of simple genetic algorithm and my proposed algorithm on different de Jong functions. There is a series of various series of de Jong functions, and there are a vast range of de Jong functions, and we perform our proposed algo on five functions. These are sphere function, Rosenberg function, Restringian function, and Sheffer function, Ackley function. We try to optimize these functions using my algo. First is a de Jong function. It is a sphere function. It is a flowchart of proposed algo. In this, firstly we perform generate initial population, then we perform evaluate fitness evaluation, which is used to evaluate the fitness of the particular solutions, and then selection based on fittest individual, and then perform crossover mutation optimizing with hill climbing, and then after hill climbing we perform replacement operator to replace the old chromosomes which have no significant fitness value. Parameters, initialization encoding में we will use value encoding, mutation, uniform mutation, crossover probability is 0.80, gene size is 5, population size is 10, and stopping criteria, maximum number of generation reached. Sphere model function results. This is the two lines, and which shows it is a simple genetic algorithm, and this is my proposed algorithm. With the help of the proposed algorithm, we can reach the maximum optimum value of these functions. For 50 generations, minimum value, genetic algorithm gives minimum value 14 and 17, and my memetic algorithm gives 1.6 and 0.46. This is Rosenberg-Ralley function, and it is the output results of Rosenberg-Ralley function, and it is Ackley path function, and in this the blue line, which is hill climbing of replacement algorithm, tries to give optimal value of Ackley path function. This is Sheffer function, Restringian function, and conclusion. We perform in conclusion. We try to conclude that my proposed algorithm give best or optimum value as compared to simple genetic algorithm.